Thanks for joining us at My Yoga Planet. Hey, please look down in the bottom right corner and subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. I'd really appreciate that. Also, down below in the comments section, provide your comments, your thoughts, suggestions on our next video for yoga poses. We'll put it on our list and get right to it. Also, in our description box, you can pick up a free copy of a yoga mini session. Just follow that link and you'll get all of the information. All right, let's get started on today's instruction.
Hello, thank you for joining My Yoga Planet. Today, we will be demonstrating shoulder stand pose. To begin, lie flat on your back. Lift your legs up slowly. Next, lift your hips and torso off the mat and support them with your hands. Ensure that the tops of your arms and your elbows stay on the mat. Straighten your legs and your torso. Work your hands down your body if you need to. Now be primarily balancing on your shoulders. Tuck your chin to your chest. Keep breathing in this pose and hold for as long as is comfortable. To come out, let go of your body and roll down slowly. Thank you for joining My Yoga Planet. For more poses and instruction for a healthy mind, body and soul, please visit our website, myyogaplanet.com. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Please, again, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Comments down below. Love to hear from you. Also, in the description box, get your free yoga mini session, a gift from us. Get more resources, tips, and articles at myyogaplanet.com.